everybody, today I'm visiting VERT, London Design Festival's landmark project located on the parade ground of Chelsea College of Art. But first let's grab a coffee from the Chelsea Cafe. Thank you. And here we are. Look at it. Pretty impressive, right? Located in the heart of Chelsea College of Arts, VERT is a result of a collaboration between the American Hardwood Export Council, Industrial Design Practice DS Office, and Frankfurt's Office for Microclimate Cultivation. It comprises a series of triangular timber sails, 10 meters tall, covered in climbing plants, designed to capture carbon and cool the air by up to 8 degrees Celsius. It casts 4 times the shade of a 20-year-old tree. The structure is built from red oak glulam, an innovative material that's not just eye-catching but incredibly strong and sustainable. The installation also includes hammock-like seating made from biodegradable netting. There are many types of plant species within VERT that are all locally sourced, such as morning glory, cheese plants, black-eyed Susan and night-blooming moonflower. This living ecosystem is designed to support biodiversity, as well as enriching the urban environment and provide a sheltered space where visitors to the festival can gather. I think the installation really stands out against Chelsea's historical architecture. It's an ideal location to inspire Chelsea students with its innovation and sustainability. VERT is here until October 14th at Chelsea College of Arts. Make sure not to miss it at London Design Festival.